Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. Never underestimate the power of having the right tools in the kitchen. And if you get this set of utensils from LeMuna, you will have that. This set of utensils from LeMuna is not only beautiful, but they are so amazing to cook with. I love the variety that this set came with, and everything I have used from this set works so well. I love how great the silicone is and nothing sticks to it. It is heat proof, so you don't have to worry about using these in your cast iron or your nice expensive pots and pans, and they are a breeze to clean because of their silicone. They clean so quickly. I really appreciate having these very simple looking utensils. I got these in this great gray color, and I love the wood and the gray. I think they just are perfect for my kitchen. If you're looking for a gift to give someone when they are moving into their own place for the first time, maybe a wedding shower, housewarming, or just gifting these to yourself because they are beautiful, then you should definitely consider getting this utensil set from LeMuna. They are beautiful, easy to work with, easy to clean, and I love them, and I think you will too. And that is my point of view.